Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farrukh Javed and I'm director of Shifa Clinic here at Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. We provide primary care services here, primary care healthcare. Oklahoma City is capital of Oklahoma State. It's also the capital of world's most tornadoes. And we started this clinic right after the tornado season in June of 2016.
Shifa Clinic is very important to this community because Oklahoma has the second highest uninsured rate in the country. The state also has high rates of diabetes, tobacco abuse, high blood pressure, and other chronic conditions. These conditions affect a lot of people and can be very expensive to treat, and that's where Shifa Clinic comes in to provide the medications and the basic health care, continuing health care that helps keep our community healthy and active.
Shifa Clinic is a blessing that came to this community. It addressed the needs of the community in general, regardless of any background, religion, ethnicity.
We include women's health, primary care. We have a pharmacy that provides free medications. This year we started psychiatry services. We have partnerships with the Diagnostic Laboratory of Oklahoma to provide free laboratory services, Nadi Healthcare to provide x-rays and ultrasounds at no cost to our patients. We're also partnered with the Healthcare Alliance for the Uninsured for referral services to specialists and surgeons.
It gives great pleasure to run this free clinic which is serving the community and people in the surrounding. Not only Muslims but many non-Muslims. Actually we serve more non-Muslims over here than our Muslim population.
Really like the camaraderie with the staff here and learn a lot from the other doctors. Yeah, I think it's really an unmet need in the medical community.
When you decide to make America your home, you need to take more challenges and become more responsible in providing help to the broader community. There was the tornado, the last tornado that came through the Moore. ICNA Relief sent people coming from Louisiana. So the Moore mayor called us and said, make sure you thank the Muslim community for providing services to the citizens of Moore. So as a community, Muslims have to provide services, and we should not only look at building nicer mosques and building bigger schools, but we also need to look at how we can provide food and shelter for community.
I believe these days, especially with the political environment, it's a necessity for Muslim community, for our survival, to publicize how we are helping to the community and who we are and what we do. My advice is you encourage every member of the community to get involved with, not only with Muslim charitable organization, also with other charitable organization, because it's all for sake of Allah anyway. If you go to Heart Hospital on the south side, probably 1/3 of the doctors are Muslims and cardiologists and surgeons. Lots of people don't have no idea Muslims are helping them every day.
Yeah, we have been thinking about clinic like Shifa Clinic for many years, like 10 years, and we didn't have know-how and resources to do that. And ICNA came in with know-how and resources, and they could get it done.
I would say one thing that we should continue to strive hard and keep our niyat pure, keep our niyat to make our sustainer happy.
The best thing about the clinic is that we all work for the same goal.
Indeed, when the Prophet ﷺ migrated from Mecca to Medina, one of the first things he have done is to bring the social programs where around the masjid Ahlul Suffa, which Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu ardah was one of them, were a homeless shelter around the masjid of the Prophet ﷺ in Medina. I'm really happy and proud of ICNA Relief and what they have done in our community thus far. I'm happy that they chose to be partners with Islamic Society of Greater Oklahoma City. It's a beautiful scene to see us living up the legacy of the Prophet ﷺ, practicing our faith by taking care of those who are less fortunate. And as a sub-product of that, creating a tremendous amount of da'wah for the Muslim community.
If you're a student especially, all the doctors and all the encouragement they give you, the bright look on people's faces is what really keeps you going. And it's just great to see that your time is really going somewhere where people can benefit. You're actually doing something good for the world, and I think that's what a lot of people need to learn how to do, is how to benefit others, because your purpose in life isn't just being for you, it's being for everyone.